plastic. So it has those 3 holes here, and that's how they look like on the other side. There. And then this is what it tells you to put the first leg. So that's 1 leg down, and they're labeled by 2s and 3s. Let's see where I can see the find the 3. Oh, let me show you, friend. See, they're on the inside of the bracket here. So that's a 3. I think this is, yep, this is a 2. And that's another 2, because that right here is a 3. So it's supposed to be a 3 on this corner, 3 on that far corner, a 2 on this corner, and then a 2 on this corner for whatever reason. Okay guys, so I had help from my wife and her friend to lift it up after I was done assembling it from the bottom. And this is how it looks like. It looks really nice. I'm impressed by the way it was packaged, because it had all these boards inside of the box, like covering the table and everything. So there's actually, I did a pretty good job myself of unpackaging it as well, but or being careful with it when I was unloading it in the truck. But yeah, as you can see, there's no damage and it looks really nice. Here's a little close-up. Here's the legs. And these are the stabilizers that when I was screwing on the legs by themselves, they were, as you saw in the video or the time lapse, that they were somewhat wobbly, but that's what the stabilizer is for. And now they're like solid as a rock. So I gotta say, it's a pretty heavy table, but I like heavy because heavy for me, and when it comes to a pool table, it kind of shows signs of quality. So as you can see, it's really nice and it looks really high quality, and it's heavy. The way, in my opinion, the way it should be, if you want to have it completely leveled and that way you can actually have a decent pool game for a novice. So yeah, and then here are the little plastic pockets here. Looks really nice. So yeah. Now all I need to do is just center it in my garage or wherever I want to put it, in the game room, and with a couple of levels, just make sure that the table is completely leveled, and then that way it'd be ready for a game. Yeah. So this was the unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys got as much information as I did from it. It did come with this other box. This right here, I haven't unpackaged it yet, and I think I might not, because let me show you here. It's basically this little wood or whatever it is, sign that just goes on the bottom on both ends. But I like the way the pool table looks by itself, just like that. It kind of looks clean. So I think I'm just gonna skip that step, or I decided to skip that step, and that's where these holes are for here. To put that that little sign for the brand. But I think it looks a lot nicer the way it is, just like that. It looks a lot cleaner, slick. So there you have it. All right, hope you guys enjoyed it.